Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby, and today I'm going to show you my new ocean junk journal. I know it's already fall, I mean middle of the fall, but I couldn't do my video through the summer because I was traveling a lot in Europe and I had a lot of things to do. Nevertheless, I will try to be fast in this video because I don't have a lot of battery in my camera. So this beautiful note, I made a video in my channel, so I'm going to link it. You can see how I made this beautiful notebook. From this part you can see this beautiful octopus, and the most important thing that I'm going to make a list with the craft papers that I used. Those craft papers that I used here for these ocean junk journals are from my Etsy shop, so if you're interested you can see it. That was my notebook. If you want to see it more in detail, please watch my another video. This is another notebook that I made. The cover I made from these different pieces of fabrics, yes. I wanted to look like a boho style, and I put those beautiful cute seashells that are actually real. The sequins, the flowers, this beautiful golden ribbon, and from inside you can see embellishments that I made. I made a video for those embellishments. They're again from fabric, and this seal that I use is from my products in Etsy shop. This one is little notebook that I made. It's very small and compact. I love small things. I think that there is, no, okay, and those are the coffee stained papers that I dyed and oven baked. Actually some of them are dried in sunlight, others in the oven. So this little notebook will be very helpful for important things. Next is the main travel junk journal. This thing is envelope in which you can find those gorgeous cards in which the backs are empty, so you can write something on them if you like. Those beautiful postcards, also from my shop. This is also from my Etsy shop as a project. And of course, let me zoom it a little more. I think like this it's better. Okay. This paper as you can see, is made from as you can see, it's whole paper, and it's stitched very well. I don't know, can you see it? And glued. I mean stitched and glued because usually when I'm doing joint journals, I want them to be made very well, so my customers won't have problems with them. So for me it's very important that this joint journal is strong. I mean, I always use glue and stitching, so I should avoid any kind of mistakes or unpleasant things. This paper is also in one of my projects and one of my kits in my Etsy shop. Okay, I'm so, wait, it's like this. Here, from this part, you can see little small embellishment that I made with fabric and with this beautiful lace that is made from my grandmother. So it's vintage lace. From inside you can see another beautiful embellishment made from fabric and from seal with this beautiful gorgeous button. And this beautiful pocket, which is full with this small embellishment. And those beautiful tickets. The pocket is here. There it is. From this part there is another pocket in which you can find, let's start with this beautiful card with those beautiful mermaids. Okay, it's empty. Of course it's empty. Probably like this will be better if I focus it. I'm with my camera. I'm always shooting actually with my camera, so I don't know. You can hear probably this strange sound because my lens is focusing. I'm sorry for this. This beautiful label for body scrub with this beautiful gorgeous mermaid. And those beautiful tags, as you can see. And those beautiful 1 inch squares. I'm sorry for the mistake. And again, fabric, this one. It's with hearts, and this is pocket. I think I have to zoom it. Like this is better probably. Okay, Inside the pocket it's a lot of zoom, I'm sorry. You can see those beautiful they're bookmarks. Let's just remove those. And something like, I don't know, probably like little note with pockets, with tickets inside. You can see the tickets. And doesn't want to fit in. That's why, because I'm in a hurry. Never mind. And those beautiful notes. That is from vintage papers. Okay. There are more pocket here, and this one, this beautiful and gorgeous crab. I think it's crab, I'm not sure what it is. So you can open it like that inside, and you can see those things that are actually tags, beautiful tags, again from my stashes and in my kits. I used for this one rustic metal paint, so it could become vintage. This is another envelope with card inside, which is empty. Yes, another gorgeous embellishment with fabrics. Another envelope with crap inside. I mean, not inside. Inside there are tickets. There is crap over it. And all of those edges on those things are distressed. So that is from me. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful and nice day. Bye bye.